Good morning. I am Caroline from BCA department from St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. I am going to take the topic about communication in subject organizational behavior. Communication means, but first we know about what is communication. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, feelings to one person to other person or within the group. The communication done through the various methods including spoken words or written words or body language or visual aids. Effective communication means the message is transferred, understood by the receiver correctly. So communication is the exchanging process of information. Nature of the communication involves at least two members. It is a iterative process. Sender send the message and the receiver responds to that message. Communication occurs for particularly to satisfy the one task, that is information is conveyed correctly, or encouraging the people, or building the relationship, or used for solving the problem. Communication use the different symbols. The feedback is necessary. It is important part of the communication. This is the nature of the communication. Then what is the need for communication? Effective communication is essential in organization. It coordinating the staff members. It is used in decision making process. It is used for identify the problems to solve that problem. Then it is a main key tool for leaders to encouraging the subordinates, to guiding the subordinates, to instruct the subordinates. For that purpose, communication is mainly used. It is used for shaping the culture within the organization. So in the organization, communication is very important to achieve the goal of the organization. This is the need for communication. The communication in other part, communication is used for training and development programs, to give the training program to employees. It built the relationships within the people to share the information, solve the problems. In this way, communication is used. The process of communication, the process of communication involves 7 parts. First one is communicator, encoding, message, medium, decoding, receiver, and feedback. Communicator, it is the first part. Communicator means sender of the communication. He takes the initial steps for communication. He framed the message. All the role is a communicator role. This is the first part of the communication. Next is encoding. Encoding means the process of communicator converts their thoughts into the message form. This is symbol, all the language, all the things included, the mail, the letter is created. This is the encoding. First one is sender part, the communicator part. The next part is encoding the message. The message is written in the letter format. Then next is actual message. What message written in this letter? This is the third part. The next one is medium. Through what medium the message is communicated? Through email, directly face-to-face communication. This is the medium channel. The first one is communicator, then encoding, then message, then medium. The next end is decoding that message. The message is reached to the receiver. Receiver read that message. That is a decoding part. Interpret that symbol, analyze that symbol, identify that message. These are the decoding part of the communication. The next part is receiver. Receiver is last end. And part of that person receive that message, read that message, understand that message, all the things done by receiver. Then finally receiver give the feedback to the sender. That effective communication finished in this part only. The feedback is given to the sender. So sender send the message, The message is received by the receiver. Receiver give the feedback. So effective communication involves these steps. The message sender encoding the message. The message is sent through the receiver through the channel. That the receiver decoding that message, understand that message and give the feedback to the sender. In this way, the effective communication is finished. So in the conclusion, effective communication is about exchanging the ideas and information in a way that is easy to understand. It is important and successful conversation to overcome communication barriers such as cultural misunderstanding and language differences. Communication is the main part of business. It is important to communicate in a positive and effective way. Effective business communication is essential for the success of any organization. Thank you.